Okay, so we obviously got the wall covered, and now I'm going to be moving on to the desktop and what I'm putting on the desktop, the things I'm using to stay organized, and then we'll move to what goes underneath of my desk. But one of the most important things that goes on top of my desk is my NTONPOWER strip, and I want to thank NTON for sponsoring this video. I've actually had a pretty good amount of time to test this out and use it on a daily basis, and oh my goodness, it is definitely a lifesaver, especially for the shape of my space. Oddly enough, this saves a lot of space with it being round, and I'm going to show you how I plug it in the back. It delivers 18-watt power and has multiple ways to charge, which I really love. It even has an iPhone port, so I don't have to have my actual wall plug. I can plug the regular iPhone charger right into this, which is great because I'm a total Apple user. Because of its shape, I actually am able to use large plugs in it as well because they're spaced out so well, which is definitely a problem that I have ran into a lot trying to plug in my devices. Is if you have the wrong shape of a power strip, all of your devices can't be plugged in at once, but no problem with this. Because it's so slim, it can fit behind things. It does have a wall mount on the back, and it comes with sticky adhesives, so if you want to stick this to the bottom of your desk or to the wall, wherever you want to put it, it will work out great. Like I said, it does have an iPhone charger, but it also has a USB port and non-slip pads on the back. And if you're someone that travels for work, since it's so compact, it's great and easy to throw in. It does have that little cord clasp that keeps everything together, so you can wrap it right up, throw it in your briefcase, into whatever you're traveling with, and you don't have to worry about finding enough outlets to plug in all of your devices. Two other features that are really awesome is it's made out of a fire retardant material, and the plug is more of a flat plug so that you can slip it in behind furniture or anything like that and still be able to plug it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I've been using this. Like I said, it's been a lifesaver with all of my devices and charging camera batteries and plugging in my computer, and I don't have to worry if our power is disconnected somehow living here in a tiny home that my devices will be safe with this. So what I do is I actually stretch it out as much as I need, and then I just keep the rest of the cord all coiled up in this little thing. But back here is where my outlet is, and so it is a little bit of a longer space, and I love the fact that it has this cord that is long enough to reach probably anywhere you really need it to. Before I pull the computer back to its position, and you can't see this anymore, this is for my oil diffuser, which I'll show you in a second. This is my computer. This is my battery charger for my camera batteries, and this is my iPhone charger, and then this charges my iPad.